Hey everyone, it's MKBHD, and today we're diving into something huge: Intel's brand new Core Ultra 200S series processors. This isn't just a simple spec bump, this is a complete overhaul of Intel's desktop lineup. We're talking a new architecture, a new manufacturing process, and even a new socket. This is the biggest change we've seen from Intel in years. It's exciting stuff. Why? Because it addresses some major pain points we've had with desktop PCs, namely power consumption and efficiency. Get ready for a deep dive. Let's break it all down. We'll explore the new chiplet design, the collaboration with TSMC, and what this means for you as a consumer. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because the future of desktop computing is here. The Core Ultra 200S series moves to a chiplet-based design. What does that mean? Think of it like building a house with modules. Smaller, specialized dies or chiplets are connected together. This allows for more flexibility in design and manufacturing. Intel can mix and match chiplets for different needs. Chiplets are the future of processor design, and Intel leads this revolution. Traditionally, Intel has been known for manufacturing its own chips. However, with the Core Ultra 200S series, Intel is shaking things up by partnering with TSMC, the world's leading semiconductor foundry. This collaboration is significant because TSMC is renowned for its cutting-edge manufacturing processes. By leveraging TSMC's expertise, Intel can access the latest advancements in chip fabrication, resulting in more powerful and efficient processors. Specifically, the Core Ultra 200S series is being manufactured using a combination of Intel's 20A process for the base tile and TSMC's N3 process for the compute tile. This hybrid approach allows Intel to optimize each part of the processor for maximum performance and efficiency. This strategic partnership between two industry giants signals a shift in the landscape of semiconductor manufacturing. It's a testament to Intel's commitment to delivering the best possible products, even if it means collaborating with a competitor. Now, let's talk performance. The Core Ultra 200S series, codenamed Arrow Lake, boasts some impressive improvements over its predecessors. Intel claims up to a 10% increase in multi-core performance compared to the previous generation. That translates to smoother multitasking, faster rendering, and an overall snappier computing experience. But it's not just about raw power. Efficiency is a key focus of this new generation. Intel has managed to achieve a remarkable 30% reduction in power consumption compared to the previous generation. That means less heat, longer battery life for laptops, and a smaller environmental footprint. How did they achieve this? It's a combination of the new architecture, the efficient manufacturing process, and some clever power management techniques. The result is a processor that delivers incredible performance without sacrificing efficiency. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who demands the best from their PC, the Core Ultra 200S series delivers on all fronts. Section 5. A modular marvel integration at its finest. The Core Ultra 200S series is about seamless integration of components. The modular design allows for tighter integration, resulting in faster data transfer and reduced latency. Imagine a highway system with dedicated lanes for different types of traffic. That's essentially what's happening inside the Core Ultra 200S processor. Intel's Foveros technology enables this level of integration. This integrated approach is a significant step forward in processor design. Section 6. Graphics reinvented, the Z architecture. Now let's talk graphics. The Core Ultra 200S series features Intel's latest Z graphics architecture. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a complete overhaul of Intel's integrated graphics technology. The Xe architecture brings several improvements, including increased performance, support for hardware-accelerated ray tracing, and enhanced media capabilities. Intel claims that the integrated graphics in the Core Ultra 200S series are twice as fast as the previous generation. While this doesn't mean you can suddenly run the latest AAA games at maxed-out settings, it does mean you'll see a significant improvement in everyday tasks like video playback, light gaming, and content creation. Plus, the Xe architecture lays the groundwork for even more powerful integrated graphics in the future. This focus on graphics performance is a welcome change from Intel. and it shows that they're serious about providing a well-rounded computing experience. Section 7. Limitations of the integrated GPU. While the integrated Xe graphics in the Core Ultra 200S series are a major step up from the previous generation, it's important to manage expectations. While they excel at everyday tasks and light gaming, they're still not on par with dedicated graphics cards when it comes to high-end gaming. Demanding games require a lot of graphical horsepower, and that's where dedicated GPUs shine. They have their own dedicated memory, more powerful processing units, and are specifically designed for handling complex graphics workloads. So if you're a serious gamer who wants to play the latest titles at high resolutions and frame rates, you'll still need a dedicated graphics card even with the Core Ultra 200S series. However, for casual gamers, everyday users and content creators who don't need the absolute highest graphical fidelity, the integrated Xe graphics offer a compelling balance of performance and efficiency. The rise of the NPU AI at your fingertips. One of the most intriguing additions to the Core Ultra 200S series is the inclusion of a dedicated neural processing unit, or NPU. This specialized chip is designed specifically for handling artificial intelligence workloads. Now, what does that mean for you? Think of the NPU as a co-processor that takes over AI-related tasks from the CPU, freeing it up to handle other processes. This results in faster and more efficient AI processing, enabling a new wave of AI-powered applications. From real-time language translation to advanced image recognition, the possibilities of on-device AI are vast. The NPU in the Core Ultra 200S series unlocks these capabilities, paving the way for a more intelligent and intuitive computing experience. While AI is still in its early stages, the inclusion of an NPU in the Core Ultra 200S series demonstrates Intel's commitment to staying ahead of the curve. LGA 1851 and 800 series chipset, a new foundation. With the Core Ultra 200S series comes a new platform, which means a new socket and chipset. The new LGA 1851 socket replaces the previous LGA 1700 socket, and it's designed specifically for the Core Ultra 200S series. Along with the new socket comes the new 800 series chipset, which acts as the communication hub for the entire system. The new chipset brings a host of new features and improvements, including support for faster memory speeds, PCIe 5.0, and more USB ports. It's important to note that the new socket means you'll need a compatible motherboard for the Core Ultra 200S series. However, the good news is that many cooler manufacturers are offering LGA 1851 mounting kits for existing coolers, so you may not need to buy a brand new cooler. This new platform provides a solid foundation for the Core Ultra 200S series, enabling all the new features and performance improvements to shine. A generational leap outpacing the predecessors. The Core Ultra 200S series isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a significant leap forward from Intel's previous generations of processors. The combination of the new architecture, chiplet design, manufacturing process, and platform enhancements results in a processor that's faster, more efficient, and more capable than ever before. Whether you're looking at raw performance, power efficiency, graphics capabilities, or AI processing, the Core Ultra 200S series outpaces its predecessors in every way. This is a testament to Intel's engineering prowess and their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you're in the market for a new desktop PC, the Core Ultra 200S series should be at the top of your list. The future is here, Core Ultra 200S and beyond. The launch of the Core Ultra 200S series marks a turning point for Intel and the PC industry as a whole. It represents a bold step into the future of computing, embracing new technologies like chiplets, advanced manufacturing processes, and on-device AI. This is just the beginning. The modular design of the Core Ultra 200S series paves the way for even more powerful and specialized processors in the future. We can expect to see even faster performance, improved efficiency, and more innovative features as Intel continues to refine this new architecture. The Core Ultra 200S series isn't just about today. It's about what's possible tomorrow, and that's what makes it so exciting. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.